I don't know, this is like a random video I decided to do, but so what I'm basically doing is, I'll show you guys right now. I'm basically replacing this door. As you can see, it's dented the hell in and rust and everything. So I'm just replacing this door. I got another one, but it's not the same color. I mean, I don't really care about the color. I just care about it not sounding weird and everything. But so I got a new one, not a new one, but a newer one that doesn't have a dent like this. So what I'm gonna do now is you're gonna see me take this off, put it up here, take it completely apart, because as you can tell, I bought this door for like 80 bucks. It has nothing, absolutely nothing at all. So I need to take out everything from this one and install it on this one. So that is the plan for right now. This is how bad it was. So I didn't even notice this, but if you can tell, this screw is like out. The hinge from right here broke. So look at the piece right here. It's supposed to grab onto in there, and the screw was like bent and stuff, bending and stuff. So this entire thing just needs to get replaced, which the new door has it. So I needed to remove this one, remove this one, this one. Oh, I removed this one, this one, this one, and this one, and then the door comes off. When the door comes off, I can disconnect the plugs, and then I need to disconnect those two from there. Once this door is removed, it'll be a lot easier to like access and stuff. So yeah. So now I don't know if you're gonna be able to see it, but basically when this car got hit right here, they're supposed to be flat. There's supposed to be some hooks that you click and unhook because there's some clips, but this part got bent, and I'm pretty sure the parts where you're supposed to unclip and stuff, it got bent in, and I feel it. So now I need to find a way to go in, click them off, and take them off, and then I'll be able to fully remove the door. So let's do it. Alright, now that that's out, the part that sucks is that I believe well, I don't believe, I know this got pushed in. You can very much tell that it was pushed in, but this is supposed to be covered in here, like so. But you can tell like this part of the car was pushed in. You can tell by these part too, like it's not straight, as you can tell. Aside from that though, the frame right here is bent, but aside from that, the frame is fine. Fenders, you know, a little bit pushed in. Sorry, it's facing the camera the other way. But the main thing that I'm gonna do now is I'm probably gonna leave this one, because this one looks fine. This one is completely cooked, so this one I'm gonna have to replace. So I will be removing this one. That door already has both of them actually. So I'll remove this one and put the one that's over there on this one, and potentially just leave this one, maybe. But right now what I'm gonna do is just work on taking that one apart and putting everything in this one. That's gonna be annoying, but let's get to it. So I pretty much got this part out of the out without recording it. Look at this one. Here. But basically, unscrew it. Unscrew. If this is all the way up here, before you unscrew these, there is places where you can put a 10 millimeter and take it out, like here and here. If they're like discombobulated and you can't get a 10 millimeter or something, you can always grab like a little 10 millimeter ratchet. Just go through the bottom and unscrew it. I have the little wrench one, so all I did was just stick my hand in through there, remove this one, this one, and this one, and I was able to just move it out. You can't take it out through none of these, so you have to bring it to this side, pull it out through here, and then you get it out. So now I'm gonna reverse the process, which is grab this, put it in there, and then take out the window and put it in there. I believe I have to put the window first and then put this, because if I put this first, then I don't think the window's thing, so I have to reverse it. So take out the window, put it in there, put that in there, and then put the rest of the wire in, and then we should be good. Alright, so we are back. So I had to go to work. I left off where I was putting the screws in. I need to put this one. Then I have to attach the motor regulator, the window regulator, then the speaker, and I should be entirely good. I need to connect these two that go into the locking mechanism for the door. I already put the hinge on. So yeah,